What's up, guys? I'm at my parents' house where we keep the Just Aircraft Highlander because they have their own runway. Sorry I've been kind of MIA for a while with the YouTube videos. I'll tell you about that why here in a little bit. I'm gonna get the plane pre-flighted and then we're gonna taxi onto the runway, take her up in the air, and I'll see you guys in the air and talk to you about what's been going on lately.
Alright guys, what's up? We're headed over to a small grass strip near my parents' house where I grew up at. I'm just going to go practice some takeoffs and landings and try to get them a bit slower in so I can land in a shorter amount of distance. Anyway, so update with the channel like I said I would tell you guys. Basically what's happened is through the power of social media, it's awesome to be able to reach out to a lot of people and get people interested in aviation and get them started with a new career, I guess, for people that never thought it was possible for them to do, like myself and others I've been able to help along. But also with every, I guess, startup and person that wants to get into it, comes a backside to it where unfortunately, people have been copying and pasting links and submitting them everywhere. So, due to the continuous copying, pasting, and sending to company headquarters and stuff like that, I've just decided not to post any more videos in relation to jets, anything dealing with the jets I fly, just due to the fact that it's unfortunate, but you just cannot rely on people on social media to be true and honest to their word. So as of right now, I'm deciding where I want to go with the channel. If I'm going to continue on posting videos, or if I'm just going to leave it as it is. About the only aircrafts I have are the 210 and this Highlander right here. I thoroughly enjoyed making the videos. It's a shame that I won't be able to make them anymore due to the fact that people are just assholes, I guess the bottom line is. So you just can't enjoy life anymore, and you can't express the joys that you get to have every day just because other people don't appreciate it. So with that being said, I'm going to go fly this thing around, go do some practice landings, enjoy this plane, and keep flying every day like I always do. And you can throw it in the comments below. You can follow me on Instagram or just to see what's going on with my life and flying-wise. I still post up there, but with jets and YouTube and those real in-depth videos I like to do, those are just going to be no more. So appreciate everybody that watched them, everybody that followed them, everybody that really enjoyed them as much as I did. I appreciate all you viewers. And again, leave a comment in the comment below. Let me know if you want me to just do more flying videos around here in North Carolina where I'm at with this Highlander and the 210, or whatever you think. Anyways, enjoy your weekend. Hope you guys have a good one. I hope everybody flies safe, whoever's flying, and who's ever not flying, just hope you enjoy your weekend. See you guys.